location system has been activated. The Maywood police have confirmed a child abduction that occurred at 1701 South 1st Avenue, Maywood. Keon Montgomery is a black female, 3 years old, 3 feet tall, and weighs 30 pounds with short black hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink blouse and maroon pants during AGCS's visitation with the suspect, Shayna K. The Maywood police have confirmed a child abduction that occurred 4 inches and weighs 152 pounds. Shayna was last seen wearing a black and white dress. Keon is listed as a protected party from the suspect in an active order of protection. She was last seen wearing a pink blouse and reported that Keon was forced by the suspect into a silver 2021 Honda Insight driven by an unknown black female. Last seen heading northbound from 1st Avenue, Maywood at 9:53 a.m. Shayna was last seen wearing a... should call 911. This concludes the Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. DCS. Davis, black female, 31, 5 feet 4 inches and weighs 152 pounds. Shayna was last seen wearing a black and white dress. Keon is listed as a protected party from the suspect in an active order of protection. DCFS reported that Keon was forced by the suspect into a silver 2021 Honda Insight driven by an unknown black female. Last seen heading northbound from 1st Avenue, Maywood at 9:53 a.m. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes the Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.
A positive